taking a look at the LAX ConRAC facility. ConRAC is the Consolidated Rent-A-Car facility, pretty much eliminating the need for all your separate rental car outlets around LAX. This is going to be housing pretty much all the major players. It's going to be about a 10-minute ride or so from the automatic people mover when that opens in a few years. So you get off your plane from the terminal, depending if you're coming from the west, the central, or the east APM station, ride to this facility, pick up your rental car, and be on your way to explore Los Angeles and greater SoCal area. This facility here has more of a finished look going to it. This is closer to La Cienega, next to the 405 freeway. And you can just see this site is massive. Several tower cranes. You can see 3 here, you can see another 2 over there, you see another couple that are crossed up over on the other end of the property. Massive site. Lots of construction going on here. Storage yard here just full of all kinds of pipes. Automated people mover truck from the distance. Now that track is just a little over 2 miles from here to Tom Bradley International Terminal, where the final west station will reside at LAX. See on the top there that little roof overhang, which I believe will be a little station there for your train once you arrive from LAX and get off of there and then make your way to the rental car facility. A little chaotic out here today. Alright, here's another view from the station there for the automatic people mover getting into the ConRAC building.